Are you a garden newbie with a knack for accidentally turning green things into brown crisps? Fear not, you've landed in the right patch of soil. Our channel is dedicated to transforming beginners like you into gardening wizards. Imagine your backyard as a blossoming paradise instead of a plant graveyard. Sounds dreamy, right? We've got everything you need to get started, from picking the right gadgets to planting tips that even your pet rock could follow, to picking garden design ideas that'll make your neighbors jealous, and DIY projects that are more fun than binge-watching cat videos. Whether you're working with a tiny balcony or a sprawling yard, we've got the dirt on making your garden thrive. On our channel, we'll break down the essentials of gardening into bite-sized pieces. Learn how to pick the right plants, yes, even ones you can't kill. Understand soil health, spoiler, dirt is not just dirt. And master watering techniques. Step 1, don't drown your plants. Our tutorials are as easy as pie, our expert advice is gold, and our DIY projects will make you want to get your hands dirty. Join our community of budding gardeners and let's grow something amazing together. Garden Pros, where garden dreams becomes reality. Please like, subscribe, share. Thank you.